Leo and the Whispering Sands. Leo wasn't like other kids. While they played with store-bought toys, Leo built his own. His greatest invention sat in the middle of his room, the Chronopod 3000. It was made from a giant cardboard box, a kitchen colander, and a very noisy alarm clock. Just one more wire, he mumbled to himself. With a deep breath, Leo squeezed inside the Chronopod. He looked at the big dial he had drawn, which had pictures of dinosaurs, knights, and pyramids. He spun the cardboard arrow, and it landed on a giant pyramid. He took a deep breath and flipped the big red light switch. Bist! Whir! Clang! The box shuddered and shook, then landed with a gentle thump. Leo carefully pushed open the cardboard flap. His messy room was gone. Instead, he saw golden sand stretching for miles, a sparkling blue river, and the biggest, pointiest building he had ever seen. "Whoa," he whispered. A girl with dark, braided hair and a simple white dress appeared from behind a palm tree. She was carrying a small basket. She looked at the strange, blinking box and then at Leo. She didn't look scared, just very curious. "Is that your boat?" she asked. Leo climbed all the way out. "It's a time machine," he said. "I'm Leo." The girl smiled. "I am Ani. Your clothes are very strange, Leo." Leo looked down at his jeans and red sneakers, then at her simple dress and sandals. "So are yours," he giggled. "Come," said Ani. "I will show you the river. It gives us life." She took his hand and led him toward the sparkling water. People in boats made of reeds waved as they passed, and green plants grew in neat rows along the wet banks. In the distance, hundreds of people were working together, pulling huge stone blocks up a long ramp on the side of the giant pyramid. "What are they doing?" asked Leo. "They are building a great tomb for our pharaoh," Ani explained. "A house for his spirit to live in forever." Annie led him to a stone wall covered in beautiful pictures of birds, eyes, and people. "This is how we write," she said, tracing a picture of an owl with her finger. "Each picture tells a piece of a story. It is how we remember." As the sun began to dip low, painting the sky orange, Leo knew it was time to go. "I have to get back to my time," he said sadly. Annie handed him a smooth, gray stone from the riverbank. "So you can remember my time," she said with a smile. "Goodbye, Leo." Bist! Whir! Thump! Leo was back in his room. The adventure felt like a dream, but clutched tightly in his hand was a warm, smooth stone from the Nile River. He smiled. History wasn't just in books. It was a real place, with real friends. And he couldn't wait to plan his next trip.